Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Trusta AI token on Binance Alpha. So Trusta AI token just get listed on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it, I will show you how. First, you can open your Binance apps and make sure you have logged in. After that, you can go to your search box here in the top and then search TA. You can search it and we'll found TA on Alpha here. You can click it. And this is the chart, and it's very early, so yeah, the chart is like this. I think it's very potential. So you can also see the details here in the top. You can click info, you will find the 4-hour high, low, and the volume. Also you can check their social media, also the website. And if you want to buy it, you can just simply click trade here in the bottom. And then you can choose limit order, which is you can choose the price you want to buy. Let's say 111 and the amount of USDT, or you can using instant buy, you can swap your BNB or other token to TA token. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.